All right, Dave, here's your 427 small block Ford. The description is combination. Got some of our ass cast heads. Got the Edelbrock air gap. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Front sump oil pan. Got the marsh kit on. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Going to make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 522 foot-pounds torque, peak torque 542, peak horsepower 527, rate of 500, so it runs really good. That's the new cylinder head on there. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got the engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. Got a QR code. That'll take you some other tech stuff. So really recommend watching this all. Have a great day.